अरे वाई सो सीरियस? हाँ, गन देख के डर गए? अरे मित्रों, way things are going, that day is not very far that instead of mics and pens, journalists will be armed with pistols and knives. Correspondents will be commandos. And then you won't be able to call us prostitutes. Guess why? You don't question the army! है ना? It is treason to question the army. Army को अगर सवाल पूछा ना, तेरी MC BC is equal to MC square.
Yes, I don't think any Indian citizen has got any doubt and anybody is doubting the credentials and the commitment of our Indian Army. इसलिए इसके बारे में देश में चर्चा करना, ये आर्मी का अपमान करना होगा.
Who on earth is Arvind Kejriwal to ask for proof from Army Chief General Dalbir Singh Suhag? Who on earth is Sanjay Nirupam to ask for proof from India's Director General Military Operations?
समझे तुम? अगर आर्मी को सवाल किया तो ठिशिया हो जाएगा. लेकिन अगर सरकार से सवाल पूछे तो, अगर सरकार से आर्मी के बारे में सवाल पूछे तो, इज इट क्वेश्चनिंग द आर्मी? क्योंकि आर्मी के सक्सेस की क्रेडिट लेने के लिए तो सरकार हमेशा तैयार रहती है. क्यों पारेकर जी?
One for myself, I will only share the credit. At the most, the major share goes to Prime Minister. But the issue I will at least claim the credit is decision making ability.
वाह पारेकर जी, वाह, क्या बोले हैं, क्या फेंके हैं. मोदी जी कहे थे नो चेस्ट थंपिंग ओवर सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक. आप तो पूरे थंप कर दिए. बट योर बेस्ट वन वाज दिस वन, हाँ, कंपेयरिंग द आर्मी टू हनुमान. तो भगवान मोदी जब तक ना आए थे, हमारी आर्मी तो ऐसे ही थी. क्योंकि a lifetime of training and toiling is nothing unless and until the army is blessed by मित्रों. But back to questioning the army. Unless we live in North Korea or even in China, I think we are free to question the army because that's what happens in all evolved democracies and has been happening so for decades. The US citizenry has questioned the military intervention of America for decades, and not just on Twitter like you guys, actually in front of the White House. Journalists, well, their job is to question anyone, anything. कुछ पत्रकार शायद ये बात भूल गए हैं, but that is the job. When there are some reports that this surgical strike was done by ground incursion, some reports that this was done via helicopters, and then there were some reports that this surgical strike was actually done by playing Newsar at loud volume across the border. सारे के सारे पाकिस्तानी आवाज से ही ढेर हो गए. New sound wave technology. सवाल तो उठने ही थे. Unlike mature democracies where acts of omission and commission of the armed forces are actually investigated, recorded and acted upon, while we just want to hide under the bluster of Bharat Mata ki Jai. Bharat Mata ki Jai बोल दो, सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा, है ना? Well, when we cool down, here are some questions that we should have been asking. What is the truth about Kargil report that has been gathering dust till this day? What is the truth about lapses that led terrorists into the Pathankot airbase? जहां से वो निकले ही नहीं इतने दिनों तक. What's the truth about Operation West End where men in uniform were involved in kickbacks for armed deals?
You want answers?
I think I'm entitled.
You want answers?
I want the truth.
You can't handle the truth.
अरे truth handle करना तो दूर की बात है. We are not even handling the questions. Where are those questions? Questions about, you know, the Kargil coffin scam, the Adarsh Housing Society scam, the Bofors scandal, or the Sukhna land scandal. And actually, numerous other instances where retired and serving officers were found guilty of acts of omission and commission. You stop questioning anyone, and that's the perfect formula for allowing it to get corrupted. Hell, we owe it to our forces to question them. लेकिन जब questioning की बात चली है, तो these are the questions that we should be asking of our army, and a lot more often. Especially during peace time, जब ये ये जुनून नहीं है, ये भारत माता की जय नहीं चल रहा है, पाकिस्तान को तोड़ देंगे, ये सब नहीं चल रहा है. Here are some of the questions that we really need to ask the army. Why is the army still facing a shortage of 50,000 personnel? Why don't we get enough gentlemen officers to fill as many as 10,000 positions? And why do our braves often don't get the basic equipment like top of the line extreme winter clothes for Siachen? Why don't our Jawans get as basic stuff as bulletproof jackets while they stand guard for us at the border with Pakistan? है कोई जवाब? Why don't military personnel get disability pension that is at least, and I repeat, at least equal to their civilian peers जो South Block में बैठे रहते हैं? Why don't we question the fact that an alleged lyncher of akhlaq, father of an Air Force personnel, got a tiranga-wrapped farewell with a union minister paying his Shraddhanjali and respects? कभी-कभी ये सवाल भी पूछ लिया करो. And at the same time, आर्मी को भी सवाल पूछो. But सबसे पूछो. Because it is important to question those people also who are using army for political purposes and publicity. Question everyone. Question everything. Because you know what? In a democracy, it's a journalist's param dharma. Saluting those in power is army's dharma. They must do their job. We must do ours. You can also question my existence. As a matter of fact, अगर आपको बुरा लगा है, in the comment section below. And if you want me to be court-martialed for these scandalous anti-national comments, then all you have to do is to press the subscribe button. Dhanyavad.
If you like that, click here to support us and down here to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and do check out the other stuff we do like News Laundry interviews, Why So Serious, animations, comics, panel discussions, podcasts which are really big, and much, much more.